Okay, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to the two-stroke turbo channel. Welcome back to cleaning up my area where I rebuilt the seat in the Isetta. It's been a little while. It took a little bit of effort, but it looks nice and I'm really happy with the outcome. It looks good. It's got a couple wrinkles and I can pick it apart. The thing that bothers me the most and that I would never have thought of, I can see the factory hog rings on the back there. I got to figure out how to cover that up or redo that. That bothers me the most, but it's nice and comfortable. It has some good foam, no more coconut fibers, and I also created a new panel underneath the seat to block the view of the battery and the master cylinder. So I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, so because I always make notes of things that need to be done, the seat no longer needs to be restuffed. I have fixed the rear brake line. And there's no more air in the rear wheel cylinder. That's fixed. So we just have a couple little things left. Idle mixture is low, and the heat seems to come through the shifter boot. We'll work on those next, but next time take this for a drive. Enjoy the comfort of a fully stuffed Isetta seat. Yahoo!